tutorial on this trend style. So the first step is to prepare the green screen material. After that, click on the text and select Draw, then select as you wish, then select the red color if you have drawn according to your wishes, then screenshot and crop, then save. Then, for the second step, go on Edit Photo, then enter the photo that was screenshotted earlier, then click AI Edit. Select the Seedream 5.0 Pro model and add other raw colors. After that, paste the prompt I will give in the comments column and click Generate. Then wait for the process to finish. After the process is finished, click Save. We go to the third step. Create a new project, then add the overlay that has been generated using AI. If you have adjusted the duration and zoom of the overlay, then go to Remove BG and select Chroma Key. Direct the circle to the green color, set the intensity to 52. Duplicate the main video, then make it an overlay. Then go to Remove BG, select Custom Removal, and select the object that will remove BG. Next, go on Mask and select Horizontal, then select Invert, give a keyframe at the beginning and end, then drag the final keyframe up. Repeat the same method until the last clip. We go to the last step, give the glow effect 2, set the object to overlay number 1. Duplicate the effect, then place it in another clip, then set the object to another overlay. All the processes are finished, and let's see the results. Thank you for watching this video.